Hey, what's up? It's voiceover Andy here. Hope y'all are doing well. Welcome back to another go karting footage. I know it's very weird to have a voiceover in these type of videos, but hey, we're here right now. So this race actually took last weekend when I'm recording this voiceover right now. It was on the 15th of April of 2023. It was me and two of my karting buddies. I won't say their names, but beautiful weather, I should say, out there. Even though it was kind of cold at the very beginning, I think I remember. Unless that was no, I think it was definitely cold at the very beginning of the day until it began to slowly warm up, you know, beyond like afternoon wise. But anyway, yeah, so let's talk about my kart on that day. So for practice, I went out and oh my goodness, I have never had a very good setup on my go-kart on a Saturday. Usually on Saturdays we have to either like, I don't know, like find the perfect like main jet that is, you know, either big or small, or we have to mess around with the timing on it, or we have to like maybe adjust the tire pressure. It just really depends. Now for qualifying, it was actually a pretty funny story. Essentially one of my friend, who's essentially faster than me, and also the other guy that came out on Saturday, he actually went out to do qualifying and just did one lap and then brought it. However, me and my other karting buddy that were still out there for the qualifying session, we thought it was a race because legit every single time like we would get really close to each other and sometimes even pass each other. And I remember specifically going on that sharp hairpin, or the U-turn as I call it. He pretty much went into the hairpin at a really good apex until I'm pretty sure he got he had a little too much momentum when he was exiting out the apex, you know, to do his exit. And well, that gave me the opportunity to you know, pass him, you know, under, because, you know, he went up to a high line while I went, you know, below, because I had a really good what's it called, entry. So that was pretty cool. I unfortunately did not record the qualifying session. Then after that, it became lunch, and well, from there, it was on to the two races. Now, as you can see on screen, footage-wise, essentially this is my first race that happened on Saturday, and the reason why I put the first race in the background, you know, for my voiceover, is because me and my racing buddy that was, you know, racing against me in qualifying session, he actually went into, I believe, turn 3 pretty sharp and came in, you know, too hot, and essentially slammed on the brakes and essentially stopped. Essentially he had to sit out the whole entire race on the sideline. He was in a safe spot, don't worry. He was way out of the racing line. But yeah, so essentially he had to sit out the whole entire race for the first one, and then he obviously got towed in by someone, I'm not sure who, but yeah, he was fine either way. And after the first race, oh my goodness, the second one was even so much better. You're about to see why, because holy crap, I actually got some really good racing footage. I don't think I've had this good of a racing footage since last year when I battle out one of my other karting buddies that showed up. That's all I want to say, just essentially just a summary of what happened on that race day. Unfortunately, I could not get out to Sunday because, well, you're about to see in the footage that I couldn't, because there was a electrical issue that we had on the final race that essentially just what I thought it blew up the kart, but no, it was something else. It was the stratter. It was another stratter problem that we've had. A second month in a row that we've had a stratter problem. But anyway, I'll let you guys go and watch this video. So hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video, or whenever voiceover Andy sees you guys. So hope you all enjoy this video. See you guys later. So yeah, as you saw from that footage right there, bam, my cart instantly shuts off, or it essentially just loses power. And as you saw from that low and I guess deep roar, vroom, 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 that's essentially when it's got no power and it just dies. And as you can see, I had to put it in neutral so I could get it out of the way, even though I wasn't in the racing line on the track. I was, still wanting to put it in neutral because why not? And plus, just in case if someone needed or someone had to push me, then, we can just go from there. As you can see, I'm still waiting on the track. However, I didn't really feel bad for myself because my dad and a few other spectators that were, in the grandstands or just, watching from beyond the, what is it? The catch fence area down there by the entrance of the track. They said that my friend, the number 111 cart, essentially also died, or he also lost power to his cart. So that I didn't really feel that bad, but still it was really sad to see a really good and awesome racing action right there on Saturday, end to a complete and just terrible day with the stratter problem. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.